everyone, my name is Mayuresh and I welcome you all for another brand new episode of Cricket Tales with Mayuresh. Yes, a lot has happened after we met the last time and we will talk about all those cricket tales in today's episode. Let us see what is in store on the show this week. Team India emerges as the team with more fuel than England as they beat visiting teams in all the three formats of the game. The rise of Shefali Verma. A perfect end to the Legends show. The resurgence of Shikhar Dhawan and KL Rahul. And Team India's spin ooze continues as the top order fails to outfox Adil Rashid and Moeen Ali in home conditions. Alright, क्या आपको याद है पिछली बार जब हम मिले थे तब हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था? जी हाँ, हम बात कर रहे थे कि how in recent times whenever India has lost the first match of the series, they have emerged as the victorious side by the end of the series. And continuing with the trend, they won yet another series, having been pushed back by the opposition twice in the same series. India lost their first T20 game of that series, but we all, perhaps for the first time, was not at all disappointed because we all by then were knowing about Team India's recent history. Lose the first match and win the series. After that defeat, India comfortably won the second game. Credits to some audacious hitting by Ishan Kishan and smart batting by skipper Virat Kohli. But again lost the third one and this time we all felt, can I really win the two games on bounce against an equally strong England team? But then Indian skipper brought back Suryakumar Yadav for the last two games and the move paid rich dividends as the newbie not only hit a half century in his first ever international innings, bringing back India on the winning path, but also gave his captain an option to move up the order, a position where he can potentially face the maximum balls. Team India won the series decider as well and showed the whole world they definitely have more fuel than England as they beat the visiting team by 3-2, having been pushed back twice in the same series. Skipper Virat Kohli, who was looking slightly off color by his standards before the start of the series, also proved why he is been called as King Kohli as he hit 3 unbeaten 70+ scores and finished the series with a strike rate of close to 150 and a staggering average of 115. But if we have to talk about the find of the series, it has to be Suryakumar Yadav. Although we all have seen him going gaga over the bowlers in IPL, but to do the same even in your national colours is definitely not an easy thing. But with his batting, Suryakumar Yadav showed only sky is the limit for this guy. India carried the same momentum into the 50-over format as well, won the first game and won the decider as well after losing the second odd game and finished this tour on high. Yes, they beat England in tests, in T20Is and in ODIs as well. But as we were talking about the phrase sky is the limit, here is another 17-year-old girl who is making it to the headlines with her brilliant performance against South Africa in the recently concluded T20 International Series. Shefali Verma scored close to 150 runs in 3 matches with a strike rate of over 150 and definitely raised a few eyebrows with her batting performance. Although India could not win the series, but they definitely seem to have found a sensational opener in the form of Shefali Verma, and the day will not be so far when we will see Shefali walking alongside Smriti Mandhana to open the batting for India in one-day internationals as well. Yes, Shefali Verma is definitely capable of that. And if we are talking about India's openers, how can we not talk about these two? The legends of the game, Sachin Tendulkar and Virendra Sehwag, and I know you all were glued to your TVs just to watch these two tearing apart opposition's attack, and they made sure they will not at all disappoint us even if it means they have retired from the international cricket. The Viru Sachin Jodi once again took us back to those old days, and once they got in, opposition had nothing to stop them. And once they got out, Yuvaji made sure the world will not forget who the real sixer king is. Yuvraj Singh kept on hitting those back-to-back sixes, sometimes 3, sometimes 4, and in the process, Team India legends won another tournament and became the champions even in legends category. Although the legends did not tell us whether they'll be playing for some another tournament anytime soon or not, but through their performance, they have definitely told us the meaning of this quote. Age is just a number. Definitely, they have proved it with their performance. And talking about numbers, here is the thing. We often tend to measure the success or form of a player by the number of runs or wickets he has taken in the recent games. But these numbers can fool us as well. How? See, if you would have trusted those numbers or those scores by either KL Rahul or Shikhar Dhawan during the T20I series, then you probably would have kept them out of the ODI squad as well. But that was not the case. Come the ODI series, these both players showed why their captain has so much belief in them. Both Shikhar Dhawan and KL Rahul played some brilliant knocks in the ODI series against England, a half century and a 90 plus scores each. KL Rahul even going past that vital 100 run mark, followed by those customary celebrations, showed the whole world that they literally do not hear what outside world is saying about them. And one has to give credit to skipper Virat Kohli as well for giving them the much needed time and support. He kept on saying how important these both players are for Indian team, and this trust, this belief definitely gives some good returns during the one-day internationals against the number one side England as well. India not only won the series, but the series also helped the two batters getting back their confidence before heading to their respective IPL teams. And although everything is looking good for Team India with the Test series victory, followed by the great T20I series win, and then the resurgence of Shikhar Dhawan, KL Rahul, and injured Bhuvneshwar Kumar getting back into his form after that injury and helping India win the ODI series as well, there are some things which really needs a quick fix if our team want to lift those two important trophies later this year. And one of them is their performance against quality spin bowling. The otherwise strong Indian top order is looking slightly under the pump when they play spin, especially some quality leg spin, and that was evident in the third ODI against England as well. And this actually wasn't the first time the spinners were weaving a web around our Indian batters. We witnessed how our skipper Virat Kohli got out to Adil Rashid multiple times during the ODI and T20I series as well, and we also witnessed during the second one-day international how the spinners took the control in middle overs, giving away just less than 6 runs in their 20 overs on what was looking like an absolute belter for batting. Yes, I do agree, we definitely have the likes of Rishabh Pant and Hardik Pandya who can send the ball to the stadiums, who can send the spinners to the stands at their will, but it is imperative for our top order as well to overcome this chink in their armor, and there is no doubt the management and our coach Ravi Shastri have started addressing this out. Alright, some really long discussions today, right? अरे पर क्रिकेट की बातें तो हम और आप घंटों कर सकते हैं, फिर भी कुछ ना कुछ तो छूट ही जाएगा, तो बाकी की बातें करते हैं इन नेक्स्ट एपिसोड। और हाँ, अब इंटरनेशनल मैचेस तो कुछ समय के लिए हॉल्ट पर हैं क्योंकि भारत का सबसे बड़ा फेस्टिवल द इंडियन प्रीमियर लीग जो आ रहा है, तो चलते हैं फेस्टिवल की तैयारियां करते हैं। कौन सी तैयारियां, वो तो आपको पता चलेगा हमारे अगले एपिसोड में। सी यू ऑल वेरी वेरी सून इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड ऑफ क्रिकेटर्स विद मयूरेश, जब हम आईपीएल 2021 की जर्नी शुरू करेंगे। टिल देन, बाय बाय एंड हैव अ ग्रेट वीक अहेड। थैंक यू।